Broadcasting from Solace 9, you're entering the quantum drift.
It's a long way down from the high road. All the noise below feels so silent as I'm looking out from the window, while I'm up here all on my own. It's like being all alone in a crowded room, but you hear the storm clouds gathering. All you have to do is slow down the time. I watch the city from above. Memories drift like data signals. And though I feel a million miles away, I never felt more connected than when I'm looking down on the city. I see all the lights, all the night owls in a city that never sleeps. I was born to live like a phantom. Though I was raised in a big town, it's like being all alone in a crowded room, but you hear the storm clouds gathering. All you have to do is slow down the time. I watch the city from above. Memories drift like data signals. And though I feel a million miles away, I never felt more connected than when I'm looking down on the city. I watch the city from above. Memories drift like data signals. And though I feel a million miles away, I never felt more connected than when I'm looking down on the city. My phone just died, and I'm way too high, watching a city of neon lights, a million people passing by. They just go about their lives. I'm just watching from the clouds. 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 I'm lost and found. The sky is dark, but the city's loud. I'm all alone in a sea of crowds where everything's fast and time slows down. All these memories, they fade out like cell phone signals in a blackout. I'm just watching from the clouds. 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 It's a city that never sleeps, for a boy that never dreams. I watch a world I'll never see, find peace in just watching things. I'm watching the city from the clouds. The city from the clouds. I'm watching the city from the clouds. The city from the I'm just watching from the clouds. 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 lost and found. The sky is dark, but the city's loud. I'm all alone in a sea of crowds where everything's fast and time slows down. All these memories, they fade out like cell phone signals in a blackout. I'm just watching from the clouds. 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 It's a city that never sleeps. silence above me. I'm alone in a crowded world. The storm clouds gather and time slows down. Data signals, the city that never sleeps. And time slows down. Time slows down.
Neon below, silence above. In the crowd. Not partaking. It's calm now, but not for long.
from above. Feeling distant but connected.
Neon lights below, silence above.
Being alone in a crowded world.
Storm clouds gathering,
Time slowing,
memories drifting like data signals. A city that never sleeps and someone who never belongs. Finding peace in observation, not participation. The calm before something changes. These streets are like a heartbeat, cars like blood cells. Street lights like neurons, I don't belong. You can see it all from up here. The cities of gold, the cities of angels. They don't sleep, they just dream. They don't breathe, they just bleed. Only the lonely can see it. Only the lonely can feel it. Only the lonely can see it. a heartbeat, cars like blood cells. Street lights like neurons, I don't belong.
this whole city could crash into the sea. And it wouldn't matter to me. 'Cause I watch it from above. A million tiny creatures I love. Neon lights below. It's quiet here. Some say that I am all alone, but in a crowded world, who isn't? I feel storm clouds closing in, and time is slowing down. I am merely a witness to this
just the calm before it all starts. City sprawled out far below, a million little lights aglow, and I'm watching them from above, alone and in love with it. The whole town wrapped up tight in beds, a sea of endless tiny heads, while I'm miles away, wide awake, but somehow the same as them. And it feels like the calm before something happens, like the eye of the storm. It's like time's expanding, and I don't belong in this world, but I know I don't need to. Storm clouds closing in on me, slowing down like data streams, sending off the memory of a girl who could fall in love. They all have a place to belong, and it keeps me moving on, because in my head I see them in bed, and I love them all. And it feels like the calm before something happens, like the eye of the storm. It's like time's expanding, and I don't belong in this world, but I know I don't need to, because this world, I can see you. And I love you.
data signals through my mind. Alone in a city that never sleeps, in a body that never belongs. It's my only peace when I'm not in it, but I see it in a crowded world. I call my home. Storm clouds rolling, time slows. Here comes the calm before the unknown. I don't wanna know who I am. I don't wanna know who I was in the city with the big green buses. You get on the bus, you find a seat, it takes you to a place, and you get off the bus. The place is new and different, but it's the same place. The same things happen in the same order. The place doesn't care that you were there. You do not matter to the place. It's not the city's fault that you never belong there. All I need is a high vantage point, someplace I can see the whole city. It's better this way. Up here, everything is quiet, and down there, everything is loud. Up here, I am alone, and down there, I am alone in a different way. It's better this way. You can see the storm coming from up here. It's gonna rain. Time moves slowly when you watch it. It slows way down and you notice things. There are little gaps in time, and sometimes memories slip through the gaps. Up here, you can catch them, you can stop them and look at them. It's better this way. I don't wanna know who I am. I don't wanna know who I was in the city with the big green buses. You get on the bus, you find a seat, it takes you to a place, and you get off the bus. The place is new and different, but it's the same place. The same things happen in the same order. The place doesn't care that you are there. You do not matter to the place. It's not the city's fault that you never belong there. All I need is a high vantage point, someplace I can see the whole city. It's better this way. Up here, everything is quiet, and down there, everything is loud. Up here, I am alone, and down there, I am alone in a different way. It's better this way. You can stop them and look at them. It's better this way. I don't wanna know who I am. I don't wanna know who I was in the city with the big green buses. You get on the bus, you find a seat, it takes you to a place, and you get off the bus. The place is new and different, but it's the same place. The same things happen in the same order. The place doesn't care that you are there. You do not matter to the place. It's not the city's fault that you never belong there. All I need is a high vantage point, someplace I can see the whole city. It's better this way.